Hey, in full disclosure, this is a spreadsheet of all the properties that I own, okay? There are, let me just see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 on another spreadsheet, and 19. So there's 19 properties. I'm gonna go through each one of these so that you guys can see I'm completely transparent. No REIT will show you this, no other funds will show you this. I'm showing you what I'm buying, when I'm buying it, what I'm looking for, what I'm paying for it, what my closing fees are, what fees I get, where the money goes, the whole deal, because I have nothing to close. Here's my first deal called Audubon, okay? Our projected distribution was $75,000. We achieved $20,000 over. Can you see this, Johnny? Can they see it? $20,000 over. Just stay on this, okay? This one was $85,000. The middle number's our projection. We hit 110. We're over by $25,000. That's all more money for the investors. This one was $20,000. It took in $25,000 more. We threw out $5,000 more. $25,000 got distributed that month. So everybody understands. $95,000 out of this first one, $110 out of the second one, $25 out of the third one. That's what was sent out. But we're $5,000, $25,000, and $20,000, $50,000 more than I projected I would cash flow. That's how we make money, right? The better we can do at managing the property, the more money everybody makes. Okay, now let me show you another one. Here's K. There's the name of the property. We projected $75,000, and it took in $75,000. We sent out $75,000 to investors. Not bad, but not over our projection. Here's a negative. We projected 60, but we only hit 50. That's the real world of real estate. You don't always hit your projection, but we still distributed 50 grand to our investors. If I do that every month, even if I miss, this is free cash flow. This is not expenses. This is not the debt. This is the leftover money, okay? Let's go to the next one. Pines. I've owned this property for 6 years. We projected 40, we did 50, $10,000 extra for our investors. Most of which are my family members in this particular fund, just because I wasn't open for the public to do this with me. 25,000, here's a negative. We projected 25 grand, we only hit 15. Oh, woe is us, oh, woe is us. I'll have to apologize to all our investors. Guys, we only distributed 15 this month, okay? We'll get back on track. Some of this is about, some of these negatives are about maybe people moved out, number one. Number two, maybe we're spending money there. I don't know the exact reason on this one, but I could find out with a phone call. Maybe we're spending some money right now and we're using some of the free cash flow to fund the activities, kitchens, floors, etc. Okay, let's see, let me buzz through these. Ormond. Always been a good deal for us. Projected 108, we did 130, that's 22,000. Projected 65,000 on PSL, we did 75,000, that's 10,000. Trellis, I've owned this for 5 years. 70 grand a month. That's $840,000 every year, almost $1 million a year in cash flow. And while we do this through the year, if we have anything left over at the end of the year, we always distribute around Christmas because Santa, shit, best Santa's cash. Let's keep it real, okay? All right, let's see here. We got Wellington, projected 75, did 85. Woodway, projected 130. This is in Houston, Texas. It did 170 grand. We're up $40,000 over the projection. So our investors in that property will get distributed $170,000 in 1 month. So what would that be in a year? It's going to be 1.7 plus 340. It'll be $2 million in cash distributions after all our expenses, if I can continue that. Again, full disclaimer, I can't promise this continues. I can't promise past performance is indicative of future performance. And look at this deal right here, okay? This deal, we projected 22 and it didn't take anything. Nothing came in.
Why is that?
Because it's sold. We just sold that bad boy and made $2 million. And that's why it's not there, okay? So 10X Del Rey, a new deal that we projected 110. I bought this thing 4 months ago, Del Rey. It's in Fund 4, and it did 120. So we're already 4 months into the deal, 10,000 more than we thought. We got Stella that distributed 117, that's our Houston property, and Grandview that distributed 226. That's about 60,000. That's in Austin, Texas. 60,000 more than we projected. For a total of, ladies and gentlemen, 1.56 million, and one of the properties did not distribute cash. So let me just see what that's going to be a year. Apple's asking for a verification. 1.560 times 12. If I can continue to do that, that's $18,720,000 per year. We got checks going out to England. We got checks going to Russia. We got checks going to Saudi Arabia. We have checks going to South America. We have checks going all across the United States, Canada, Australia. So no matter where you are in the world, if you want to invest with me, if you like the idea, if you're willing to take a risk, because look, every piece of property I've ever bought was a risk. A greater risk, however, is to have your money sit at the bank and die, okay? Or sit in the stock market and worry about it. All you gotta do is go here, cardonecapital.com, hit schedule a call. It's gonna bring you to a scheduler. Pick a day that you're available. Please don't miss the meeting, okay? I only got like 5 or 10 minutes. We only have about 6 people out here that can handle phone calls. So don't waste somebody's time if you're serious. And you can just pick a time here. I can go down here. You see it, John?
Yes, sir.
Say, hey, I'm available at 10:30. I'm gonna confirm it. Put your name in there. Put your cell number in there. How liquid are you at this time? What are your funds invested in today? Answer a few questions. We'll schedule a call and we'll get you invested. If it's right for you, it's right for you. If it's not right for you, we take accredited and non-accredited. You can ask all your questions here, okay? And we got a list of questions that you might want to ask to help you along. $1.5 million distributed this month. Does your REIT show you this? Does your fund show you this? Does your ETF show you this? Does Blackstone or Goldman Sachs show you? Does your bank send you money every month? Okay? CardoneCapital.com if you want to grab the book, okay, How to Create Wealth Investing in Real Estate. I tell you exactly what my formula is right here in the book. If you want to do it yourself, grab the book. If you want to do it with me, go to CardoneCapital.com, grab your book, or start investing, or who knows, maybe you do both. Let me go buy some real estate.